Hello everyone, this is Paul from HIFIMAX. Now I will introduce this model. This is the Android screen for Mercedes Benz. This is the main menu. Navigation. You can install Google Maps, Waze, and Echo, and many others here. And you can go to the setting, set navigation. Here you can choose one of them as a default. For example, I chose this, and then back to the menu and click it. It will show the Google Maps. Music. You can play the music from internal memory, SD card, or USB. Here. This the songs from the USB. And telephone. This is the Bluetooth. After you connect the Bluetooth, it will download the contents. Here, it also supports the Bluetooth music. Here, you can play the music from your cell phone. Okay, next, NTG menu. NTG menu is showing the original Mercedes-Benz original menu, car menu here. Setting. System. These are some settings for the system. Here, camera selection. If you install the aftermarket camera, you need to choose this. Brightness, unit, and navigation. Here, sound, different sound mode, language, time, system, Android. Here you can connect the Wi-Fi. Here, it also supports 4G LTE. Factory. If you get into the factory setup menu, here, vehicle setting, car display. Here you need to choose the car type based on your car model. Video. You can play the video from USB or internal memory here. And apps. You can download and install a lot of apps from Play Store or Android Market. Dashboard. It has 3 modes for the dashboard. Eco mode, comfort mode, sport mode here. Very cool. And DVR. DVR is dash cam. This is option. Okay, thank you.